Take note, Nigeria to experience nationwide rain on Tuesday, June 13th. The Nigerian Meteorological Agency has predicted cloudy weather conditions over the central states of the country on Tuesday morning. NIMET's weather outlook also predicted day and night temperature of 28 to 35 and 18 to 27 degrees Celsius respectively. The agency also predicted of localized thunderstorms over Abuja, Minna, Jos, Bauchi, Kaduna. The Nigerian Meteorological Agency, NIMET, has predicted cloudy weather conditions over the central states of the country on Tuesday morning with prospects of thunderstorms over Bida, Minna and Ilorin. NIMET's weather outlook by its Central Forecast Office, CFO, on Monday also predicted day and night temperature of 28 to 35 and 18 to 27 degrees Celsius respectively. It added that there would be prospects of localized thunderstorms over Abuja, Minna, Jos, Bauchi, Kaduna, Ilorin and Mambilla Plateau later in the day. NIMET predicts that Nigeria will experience nationwide rain on Tuesday, June 13th. The agency predicted that southern states would experience localized thunderstorms over inland cities with chances of morning cloudiness over Enugu, Awka, Owerri and Umuahia. It also predicted light intermittent rains over the coastal cities throughout the day with day and night temperatures of 28 to 30 and 21 to 25 degrees Celsius respectively. According to NIMET, northern states will experience prospects of early morning thunderstorms with chances of recurrence over Damaturu, Potiskum, Gombe, Maiduguri in the afternoon and evening hours. The region will also have day and night temperatures of 32 to 39 and 23 to 27 degrees Celsius respectively. There are prospects of thunderstorms occurrence in most places across the country especially later in the day, NIMET predicted.